Hi, this is Tyler with TC Brothers, and today we're talking fork tubes. Shopping for fork tubes for your motorcycle can be a pretty daunting task. There's a lot of styles, coatings, and diameters available, and I'm here to explain some of those to make it easy for you. Here at TC Brothers, we offer 3 different finishes of fork tubes, as well as extended lengths or stock lengths, depending on what you're looking for to do with your bike. Many guys building choppers looking for extended lengths commonly will run hard chrome fork tubes in longer lengths than what they had on their stock bike. Hard chrome's a great coating. It's actually the most durable coating that's offered for fork tubes, and it's usually what most OEMs put on their fork tubes. It's inexpensive, and it looks great and lasts a long time. If you really want to change the look of your bike, an easy way to do it is to install a set of fork tubes with either this gold titanium nitride finish or a black DLC or diamond light carbon finish. Both of these coatings are very low coefficient of friction, very durable, and offer a great looking finish that makes your bike really stand out. A nice thing about the kits that we sell is we also include the seals and the hardware needed to do the installation and have everything you need to get it done. If you want to find more information about these fork tubes, you can visit our website, tcbros.com.